I don't wanna say anything, cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no.
My first journey, just follow along. Yeah. This is Gjøvik, the hometown of Skiblanderen. There's the house for it. Oh god, this weather is not looking good. I'm in a bog now. Cool place, kinda. But I need to drive fast because it looks like it's gonna be a rain. And I'm not sure if it's any shelter on this road. So let's pray. Oh, nice view. Yeah. It's like a thunderstorm, I think. Oh no. I need to close my jacket more. Beautiful view. Let's ride on. Yeah, nice road. We're going from Bagn to Nesbyen. So yeah, let's hope I can skip the rain, because that's just boring. So I got a little rain. God damn it. In the mountain. But it's quite beautiful here. Am I recording? Yes. I think the rain is finished. I hope so. Because rain and biking is not perfect. I wonder if I can climb this mountain with this bike. Nah, I don't think so. I'm around 30 minutes from Nesbyen. Oh, bugging eye. Not bad area for a cabin. I wonder if people are in the cabins yet. Oh, hello Kyle. "23 minutes from Nesbyen. The gravel road is done. But it's a nice road between Bagn and Nesbyen. Twisty, some gravels, and yeah, and low traffic. And some pine trees. And a good view. How is the battery? Ah, it's good. Oh, I don't think it's any signs of the curves on this road. So let's take it slower, or not. My plan is either Rjukan today, or maybe further. Oh, people. Oh, car. Jesus Christ. Pay attention to the road. This is Heradveien or something like that. Ah, perfect spot. An old farmer. This is what I like with the adventure with the bike. That is good. Yeah. Oh. Ah, this road has seen better days. A waterfall for you guys.